to another video. Today is Monday and it's also coming up to the new year, so I've decided to do a little kind of video series, I guess from now onwards, talking more about weight loss, getting fit, getting healthy, you feeling your best. Because as you might know, if you're new to the channel, maybe you don't know, but I lost around 35 kilos in weight. I was around 100 kilos and I'm around 65 kilos now. And I feel like I don't really talk much about the foods that I eat. I mean, I talk all about the cycling that I do, but not necessarily like the other side of it. So things that I do to stay healthy, things that I do to, well, my favourite foods to eat, things that help keep me slim, and yeah. I'm just going to start off by saying I'm not a nutritionist, I'm not a doctor, I'm not necessarily the skinniest cyclist there's ever been, but I have lost weight. I've been able to keep that weight off. I never ever calorie restrict, never calorie restrict. Repeating that again, I never calorie restrict. I never count calories. I eat until I'm full. And yeah, I don't know if you saw the last video or one from last week where I talked about all my bloods. So you can see from that video, I'll leave a link to it below, but you can see that all my iron, all my just, I guess, good markers show that I'm healthy, and they're all in like a healthy range. So I feel like I want to share more of that with you, because they are the most questions that I generally get are about weight loss or about what I eat, how many calories I eat. So I thought I would do a bit of a series about it. So I guess the series, the direction it will take will be your questions. So post any questions you've got about it in the comments below. And I guess I will make the videos that you want me to make regarding this. So to start off, I thought I would do, because I have done like what I eat in a day videos, but I thought because it's Sunday, and generally what I do on a Sunday, one thing that does help me make sure that I'm eating healthy in the week is I batch cook like some meals for the week. So I've not decided what I'm going to have this week, so I'm going to check what I've got. But that is like one main tip that I would suggest that you do, because I feel like if I don't make stuff to take either to work with me or just have in the fridge ready for me to eat, I generally will eat like packaged stuff from like supermarkets, and there's nothing wrong with them, but they have higher salt, higher fat, and that's something that I'm not really into. So I guess as a basis, if this is the first video they've ever watched of mine, then I am vegan. I predominantly eat, well, I always eat high carb vegan. The only thing that I would say that I do, like I would eat unlimited calories, but the only thing that I really kind of restrict, I guess, is my fat intake and salt. So I won't have like loads of fat in my foods. Like I don't ever use oil. And I know a lot of you are probably like, oh, it's healthy, it's this and that. I've done like a lot of research and read a lot of different things about it. And for me, like I don't like the taste of it. It's refined. I just don't like having oil in my foods. And so, yeah, I guess that's kind of the basis of so really the main foods that I generally eat are high carb, plant-based, vegan food. So potatoes, bananas. I've not really had many bananas recently. Rice, corn. What else? I guess you'll see during the series. I think this is why I want to do it, to make me very transparent about what I'm doing, what I'm eating, and how much I'm training, because you can always see how much I'm training on Strava. Follow the link in the description box. Everything that I do generally will be on there, unless I'm just on like a walk or something, then I won't really put it on there. But all my cycling is on Strava, so you can see how much exercise that I do. So I reckon, do you want to start off with seeing, this is probably going to be like more of a kind of what I eat video, but and then how I prep my food. So today is Sunday, I'm going to have some breakfast, and today I'm probably going to have porridge. So yeah, I guess I will show you that when it's made, and then yeah, see you in a little while. Also, while my breakfast is cooking, I have written an ebook about cycling, but there is like one whole section of that which is talking about weight loss, things that I did to lose weight, So yeah, there is a link to that. Shameless self-plug, but there is a link to that. It's £10, so it took me a long time. It's taken me years to actually write that. So everything that I've learned to do with cycling, losing weight, is in that ebook. But yeah, I'm going to be answering your questions on weight loss and stuff in this video series. So I'm just waiting for that to cook now. Also, one thing that I have started having is, I mean, I've been having it maybe on and off for, I don't know, maybe a year. But this is orange juice and spirulina. Hang on, I'll give you a taste test. I've done it before. So I don't know if you, again, saw the blood video, but spirulina is just amazing for your blood. It's just superfood. And I get the fresh stuff, and it's from, I think it's called Pure Foods UK. And they have sent me that out to try, and they've also said that if any of you want to try it, they'll give you 10% off. It is an affiliate link, so I will get like a tiny percentage of like the cost, I guess, of it, but I'm just being transparent with you. There is an affiliate link, so if you do want to try it, you can get 10% off anyway. So there is that offer if you want to try it out. So I'm started having 2 of the little pods a day while I'm doing I guess more training over winter, just to boost my immune system and just, yeah, to get lots of nice nutrients into my body. So yeah, I'm just having that first, and then I will get my porridge. And I do add sugar, but the camera was balancing on the sugar, so. I've eaten my breakfast now, and I've realised that I had spirulina all over my face, so sorry about that. So now I'm going to prepare like the batch cooking, because this is what is so important if you are wanting to get fit, get healthier, is having food that is like very easily accessible, because when you're hungry you just want to go for the crap stuff. So I'm going to batch cook a whole load of black beans, and I used to buy the canned ones, but they are so much cheaper if you buy them. Like this bag, which is a kilo, was like, was it £2? It was really, really cheap, and they're organic as well. So I'm going to cook a whole bag of them up, freeze some of them, and then make a chili with some of them for the rest of the week. So I've got stuff, that was loud, ready and just waiting for me in the old fridge for when I get in or when I've done my training, that I can just eat. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to put in that. But black beans are, again, like a really good bean. They're probably my favourite bean. Ash, who you saw in the last video too with my blood, he always recommends black beans for all the different things. They've got loads of good vitamins, and there's selenium in them, and there's all sorts of stuff. It's they're really meant to be good for your heart, for if you've got diabetes, to help with blood sugar. They're good for weight loss because they're really high in fibre, so they just keep you full for a very long time, and I love them. So I'm going to make those now, and I guess I'll show you the recipe. How satisfying is that? Major update, I've put water on them. Oh hi, you can see me in there. Put water on them, and then I'm just going to put the lid on, leave them, like I said, for like maybe an hour until they're really nice, soft, and just super tasty. Okay, so for like my lunch, I guess, or dinner if you're northern like me, I've basically got those noodles, a pack of tennis broccoli, some nutritional yeast, and some sriracha on it. And I guess to a lot of you this probably seems really boring, but the more that you eat simply, the more your taste buds kind of get used to having really simple things. So I love having stuff like this. So all I've done to that is add in 2 peppers, 2 courgettes, and a load of mushrooms. Then I'm going to add in paprika, chili flakes, chili powder, and cumin. I'm of the way of just chucking stuff in. I don't ever really measure anything. I've also added a tin of chopped tomatoes, and then that's full of black beans as well, but I will have that with some lettuce and some rice and make like a burrito bowl. I will freeze for the next time I want to make chili, and then you just got chili for the next month and a half. So that's made loads of extra beans, 3 loads of the actual chili. I would normally have rice with this, but I've already eaten it with some of the cooked beans earlier on, so this is what I'm having for my tea. God, it's steaming up, sorry. So yeah, that's the chili, some lettuce, and I'm gonna have a couple of those. And that is it. The only thing this is missing is jalapenos. I'd normally put jalapenos on there, but yeah, that is what I'm eating today. So that is the end of the video. It kind of went on a little bit longer than I thought it would. But let me know if you like this style of video, and I will carry this series on. And if you have any questions specifically to do with like what I'm eating, or even like specifically like training stuff, then let me know in the comments and I will make videos accordingly. I do want to add though that I guess it's really difficult because you're seeing one day of what someone eats. I don't necessarily feel that's representative of what I would eat over a week or over a month. Because as my training changes and the more I ride, the more I eat. So like my appetite is pretty much spot on, and I don't ever eat to a set number of calories. I eat to how I'm feeling and how hungry I am. And so I guess you would see that the more that I do these videos, the more that I'm riding, the more that I'm eating. So yeah, I did have a couple of little extra snacks and stuff. I had like a glass of like almond milk, and I had a couple of like rice cakes and stuff. But yeah, pretty much that was what I ate today. And that's how I'm batch cooking for the week. So yeah, I reckon that's it for this video. I will see you later on in the week. Have a good weekend. And yeah, I'll see you later on.